In today's video, I will be showing you how I organize my husband's dresser. Now, the folding techniques that I'm showing you in here in this video are the same either for men or for women. Now, for example, I'm folding a t-shirt here, and you would fold this men's t-shirt, but if you were organizing a woman's dresser, the technique is exactly the same way. You're gonna fold exactly the same way that I'm doing it here. And the easiest way is to fold one, like I'm doing it here, one time. Then you're gonna fold the second time, like that. And then you're gonna fold a third time, like this. And a final and fourth time, like that. And then the t-shirt is gonna look flat and it's gonna look perfect just like this. The folding technique that I am showing you here, like I said, is for the t-shirts, and this technique also applies for the sweaters. So I will be folding the sweaters and the t-shirts in the same way. In here I have a tank top, and folding the tank top is a little bit different. You're just gonna fold it just like I'm doing, like this. Then you're gonna flip it one time like this, and then make sure that you stretch it, and then you're gonna flip it one time, and then make sure that you stretch it and two times. And you see it is perfectly compact and it looks really nice. And we're gonna do the same technique for all of the tank tops. Next, I'll be putting all of the tank tops on a small basket. This way they will be held in place inside of the drawer. And now we're going to be folding all of the winter hats that he has. You're just gonna fold it one time from the middle, and then one time here, and then a second time right there. Next, I will be placing the winter hats inside of small baskets, so once they're inside of the drawer, they're held in place. And in here I have a scarf, and the technique is very easy. Just fold it in half. Now you're going to stretch it, and then you're going to fold it in half again. And now you're going to flip it 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. And that's all. And in here I have a scarf that is made out of fabric, and the technique is basically the same thing as the other scarf that I showed you, which was a knitted fabric. Now the same thing, we're going to put the scarves on a little basket, so once they're inside of the drawer, they're kept neatly in place. Next, we're going to be organizing the belts. Get an oblong basket like the one that I have here, and tightly roll each of the belts like I'm doing here, and just put them in here just like the way that I'm doing, and you could easily see everything that you have. To be folding the underwears, you're going to fold it in half like so, and then you're going to fold the other half like so, and now you're going to grab the bottom just like that, like a little envelope, and we're going to flip it in half. And there you have it, perfectly smooth and very little and compact. I bought a sock organizer for my husband, and these sock organizers are little cubbies like the ones that you see here. Now these sock organizers are good for thin socks, not for thick socks. And the little holes that each of the cubby has, you can simply roll the socks like I'm doing here, and you can insert 2 socks inside of each of the holes. No more than 2 because they're very small. Now this is the large dresser that I will be organizing first. And this is how I have decorated the top of the dresser. This is an oil burner that my husband has. In this section I have arranged his toiletries, and in here I have added this little plate, and in here he can take off his watch at night, he can put some loose change on this plate, or he can put other jewelry here. And in here we have just a simple little plant for decoration. Now I am going to start organizing the large dresser. I'm going to start by adding the t-shirts as you see me doing it here, and I am color coding all of the t-shirts. And now I will be adding the basket that has all of the tank tops that I had folded. On this drawer here, I will be organizing all of his winter mittens as well as his winter hats. Also, I will be organizing in this drawer all of the scarves, all of the baseball caps or hats that he has, and also I will be adding in this drawer all of the belts that we organized. On this drawer here, I will be organizing all of my husband's shorts. And on this drawer here, I will be organizing all of my husband's sweaters. This is the second dresser that I will be organizing, and this one is a very small one. It's long and narrow. In this first drawer, I will be organizing all of my husband's underwears. On the second drawer, I will be organizing more underwears, and then I will be also adding here his leg warmers for the winter, and I'm also going to be adding on this drawer all of his bathing suits, which are his short bathing suits. On this third drawer, I will be adding one of the sock organizers for the thin socks. On the fourth drawer, I will be adding the other, which is the second sock organizer for the thin socks. And this is the very last drawer, and on this drawer I'm organizing all of his thick socks, which are for winter. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please go ahead, give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it now. And thanks for watching. Bye!